Hello dear viewers, this is Alan Eland from the courtyard of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem. In today's video I'll guide you through the current events taking place at the Holy Sepulchre, and that's a renovation of the entire church. You can already see ongoing renovation work here in the courtyard, and it will continue on a much larger scale inside the church. The renovations have been ongoing since 2016. The burial chapel has already been renovated. We'll take a look at that right away. We're going to take a tour of the entire church. So let's explore it together. In the area directly in front of us, you actually can find the anointing stone, but access is now blocked. And the entire right area is also blocked. Here behind the wall, a steep staircase leads up to the place of crucifixion. Look at the floor. The soil has become fragile over the centuries and has also been partially damaged by water. You also have to know that the church was built on soft ground, and that's why the floor is renewed and secured. That's the main part of this renovation. Here behind this wall lies the anointing stone. On the way to the Holy Tomb, here you can still see slabs covering the floor. And this is the beautiful chapel of the Holy Sepulchre, the renovation of which was completed just a few weeks ago. During the renovation there are always archaeologists present who are of course interested in what can be found here, and I guess they also take care that no historical artifacts are destroyed or possible insights get lost. It has already been discovered that an ancient Roman road with a sidewalk led under the current church. And it's also fascinating that a base of stones was found under the burial chapel, and that suggests that a monument was already built over the grave in the 3rd or 4th century. Look at those old stones stacked there. Let's go further down this path and see what has changed there. The floor tiles, all the floor tiles are numbered, inspected, repaired or renewed. Renovation work has been taking place in various parts of the church over the last few years. But I've never seen such extensive renovation work in the entire church as now. They are probably really using the time with the empty church to make quick progress here. The whole church is a construction site. Nevertheless, it's important that the church remains open for the few pilgrims who are here. In this respect, thanks to those responsible that we can continue to visit the holy places that are open. To the best of my knowledge, the plan is to complete all the work by the end of 2024. Here, this is the entrance to the deepest places of the church, the St. Helena Chapel and the Chapel of the Finding of the Cross. The renovation work here has already been completed, so we'll keep going up here. Straight ahead, we would come to the anointing stone again, if the access were not blocked here too. A woman comes down the stairs. This is another staircase to the crucifixion side from the other side, and this entrance appears to be open, so let's take a look and let's go up the stairs. The anointing stone lies down under these covers. I think they don't want visitors to be able to see the work from above, so the construction site of the stone is also covered from above. This is the exact place where Jesus was crucified, and I'm totally alone here. The rocks on the left and bottom right are the original Golgotha rock. In the middle, a statue of Jesus on the cross. On the left, Mary, his mother, and on the right, his disciple John. In this holy place, I say goodbye to you in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. I hope that the walk was interesting for you. It was certainly completely different from my other visits to the holy sites here. If the video was interesting for you, please give it a thumbs up, and of course, I'm happy about every new subscriber. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.